Ladies and gentlemen, welcome once again to the Atlantic Group of Builders. We are hosted here, elevating two bedroom apartments. So this is how far we have come this week. We are going for weekend. Upon our arrival next week, Monday, we will be talking about completion from Monday straight to Saturday. We'll be talking about completion of the block laying and also doing some of the tiling. So, do you have any project on hand and you are looking for professional engineers, builders? We are here to serve you. We are here to work for you. So just contact us. We'll be able to respond to you and do a professional job for you. So thank you very much. This is the Atlantic Group of Builders. To get to us, get down 231-880 337488 231-880 337488 or 231-770 33748 231-770 33748. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video.